Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we should learn the most important topic of the economics, which is very much essential to proceed our studies on the various topics of economics. So let's start our today's topic, that is demand. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of demand. So our demand means desire for a commodity backed by willingness to purchase and ability to pay at each possible price during a given period of time. That means if we desire for a commodity, we must have willingness to purchase that commodity, and at the same time we must have the ability to pay for that commodity. Then our desire should be converted into demand. That means the effective desire, that means the desire which is attached with willingness and ability. So these two words, that is willingness to purchase and ability to pay, are playing a vital role to convert a desire into demand. So in order to make our desire into demand, we must have willingness to purchase the commodity and ability to pay for that. So in simple words, demand means the effective desire is called demand. Here we have to clear about what is quantity demanded and what is demand. Demand means we should desire for a commodity at each possible price. That means whatever may be the price, what is the amount is demanded by the customers, that is called demand. Whereas quantity demanded means specific amount that a buyer willing and able to buy at one price or at a specific price, that is known as quantity demanded. So the major difference between demand and quantity demanded is, in case of demand we should purchase or we should demand a specific amount at each possible price, whereas in case of quantity demanded we should demand for a specific amount at a single price or at a particular price. So let's start. What are the types of demand? So the demand is broadly classified into two types, that is individual demand and market demand. So the individual demand means the quantity of commodity demanded by an individual consumer at all possible prices at a given time. That means there is a consumer A, or we can also take another consumer, that is B. So what is the quantity demanded by a particular consumer? That means what is the quantity demanded by consumer A, that is called individual demand, and what is the quantity demanded by a consumer B, that is also called an individual demand. Whereas in case of market demand, the same definition, but only changes is made that there is an individual consumer, but in case of market demand, quantity of commodity demanded by all the consumers of a market. That means all the consumers, consumer A, consumer B and consumer C, and the number of consumers are present in a market. So whatever the quantity demanded by all the consumers of a market is called market demand. So we also can take an example for the better understanding the meaning of demand. So let's the example of a beggar and a miser. Suppose a miser wants to purchase a car, but in this case he has the ability to purchase a car. That means he has enough money to offer and purchase a car. At the same time, he doesn't have any willingness to spend its money. So in case of a miser, he has the ability, but he doesn't have any willingness, so it is not a demand. But in case of a beggar, it is just opposite. That means a beggar may have the willingness to purchase a car, but he doesn't have ability to pay the price of the car. So in both case, that is in case of miser and in case of a beggar, when some has the ability, he doesn't have the willingness, and whereas someone has the willingness but he doesn't have ability. So in both the case, the desire of the miser and the desire of a beggar is not demand. Thank you.